Alright, I'm back. Yeah, on. I'm back. I thought I'd just explore these, I think they're called Bali Houses, which is literally just a little place with shade, a little bit secluded, so you don't get the hustle and bustle of the rest of the resort, and you just get to enjoy and relax. I haven't tried one of these myself. I might try them soon. It looks like you've got beach volleyball right here as well, so I'm not sure how quiet it is if you can just hear beach volleyball all day. I mean, you could enjoy watching a game of beach volleyball whilst you're relaxing in the Bali Houses. Yeah, I think this might be going towards the amphitheatre. Yep, I'm right. I think I can start to see it coming behind the trees. Haven't seen it when it's not so completely jammed. So let's see it now. I mean, it's a little bit more quiet and in daylight as well. So this is what the amphitheatre looks like. It's quite large. I mean, it's probably got enough seating capacity for quite a few people. Obviously, maybe not for the entire hotel. This is what the stage looks like. Yeah, when you're actually here and there's a show going on, it is very crowded, very loud. So if that's what you're going for, then great. If not, then maybe the Bali Houses is what you're looking for. Yeah, during at night time, maybe not the Bali Houses, but the beach is generally quite quiet at that sort of time. And lobby bar is a little bit busier. What's that growing on the trees? It looks like, I don't know, figs?
No, they don't look like figs. It looks like pomegranates or something.
Looks like some sort of maybe pomegranates growing on the trees here. I guess this is where they get their fresh fruit from. I've heard that they like their pomegranates out here. I'd love to know what it is. If you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments down below. It'd be quite interesting to see what your thoughts are. Let's head back now towards the main area. Steps. Let's find out where the steps go. Okay, so let's head over towards these steps that seems to lead into the trees. See where they actually take us.
You think
left over here? Okay, I won't try and see what that's all about. Instead, let's head up here and have a look at where this leads to. I know the amphitheatre is around this way because you just saw, so maybe it takes you to the top floor of the amphitheatre, or maybe where the DJ studio is. Let's have a look. It looks like it's going to give us an amazing view, standing view of the amphitheatre. Perhaps we should have come here last time. Yeah, it's just behind the amphitheatre and gives you another way of getting into the amphitheatre over here. Yeah, there's a little opening here so you can get back into the amphitheatre. Okay, so that is the Bali Houses area and the amphitheatre explored. Something to tick off my list. See what the view is like from here. Yeah, you get a nice view of the pier from here, which is probably quite nice at this sort of time of day, especially during sunset as well. literally gonna head back to the pier now. Coming down these steps back towards the Bali Houses. And we're gonna grab a beer. Well, I'm not gonna grab a beer. I'm gonna grab a Pepsi and chill out on the pier. Pepsi on the pier. Amphitheatre. Looks quite different when it's not completely jam-packed full of people watching the show. And yeah, enjoyed it. And here we are back at the beach.